Hey and welcome, I'm Solo, and this is ZN Gaming. In this video, I'll be going over how to set up your AM8 from Fifine with OBS for streaming. Before I waste any more time, let's jump into it. To get started, we are using the USB connection only, so if you happen to have an interface, your setup is going to vary. This is going to make it a little bit different if you happen to be using the XLR cable. That being said, once you unpack it, just plug the USB in and plug the USB into your computer. It should prompt you first thing that it's plugged in. You should also see that it's getting power when it lights up. One quick way to check to see if your mic is connected, if it didn't give you a prompt in Windows, you can just go right down here where your sound is. You can right click your speaker and you can, if you wave over it should tell you that the Fifine microphone and speaker are set up, but you can right click on it and go to sound settings. This will let you just scroll down through and see that the speaker is set to Fifine. We want to change this here and make sure that it's set to our normal speakers, and then we want to scroll down and make sure the microphone is selected for the two Fifine microphone. And that should just be the default device, and that's the only microphone we have connected. Just make sure that the right one, when it's plugged in, doesn't take over your other sound sources. Once you double check that and everything looks good, just give that there a close. Now, if it happens to not work, if you plug it in and there's a problem, I would definitely try changing the USB cord. Make sure you use the one that came in the box. If you're using the adapter that changes from USB-C to USB-A, try a different port, or try the USB-C on the back of the motherboard if you do not have one. Make sure you unplug and plug it back in just to make sure that it's not the issue. One other thing that you can check is if you are having issues or older version of Windows, you can try downloading their software. To do this here, you can Google search the Fifine AM8 from Fifine, and the Google search should bring you to this here page here. So if you just Google the Fifine M8, you should be able to go down and find it. It should just be one of the very first ones. I just clicked on this here link. It brought me to this here page, and from here you can just click the software and download the Fifine software Genie. This is something I'm not going to cover in this here video, but if you happen to have any problems with your mic, setting it up, EQ, anything else that you may have issue, lightings or whatnot, this here software should give you a hands-on and a visual UI, so you'll be able to see everything that's going on. If you are looking for an in-depth video on the Genie software, I will be covering it later on, so if you're interested in checking that out, I would definitely get subscribed so you don't miss it. That being said, we do not need to install it to use this here microphone with things like OBS, Discord, or mic recorder. So we can just here give this here all a close down and we can open up OBS. Once OBS loads up, you should be able to already see that the mic is connected. If you give it a tap, you should be able to see it. If you already had OBS open, I definitely suggest just closing it and reopening it so it loads up the mic again. If not though, I would go to settings. There should be a spot in your audio where you can click the default audio, and you should be able to just go down here and make sure that the one that's selected. For me, this is going to be the mic from Fifine, and click apply. But I can leave this here at my default if this here worked right away. This will just prevent me from having to change it later on. If you do change this to a specific mic, you will have to change it every single time you change your mic. But if you have it changed in your system to default, sometimes it doesn't always work. But every single time that you change your mic, default mic in Windows, it should automatically pick up here. I haven't had a problem with it, but I just want to make sure I show that before we go any further. If you have any problems at all, if it's in the drop down menu, select it. If you do have any problems, that should make that mic show up right away. After that, just click OK. And we can see as we talk, we can see it, we can give it a tap, and we can definitely check our levels. We can see that it's a little bit low, but there is a gain button on it and a headphone button. So we can change those up just to make it more sensitive or less sensitive. And there we go. Once you get it set to where you think it's going to be good, there is a few things in OBS I suggest. If you picked up the AM8 from Fifine, there's a few things that I suggest you add to your mic. And that's not just the Fifine mic, but just any mic that you get in general. When you add it to OBS, if you're using it for streaming, I definitely suggest 2 filters. In the filters, we're just going to click plus, and we're going to add a compressor. Now, in the compressor, I definitely suggest making it a 4:1 ratio. This is just going to make it, if you back up from the mic a little bit, it's going to compensate and it's going to boost your volume. And if you get really close to the mic and get really loud, it's going to bring it back down. So it's going to try and keep your level a little bit more normalized. And I think a 4:1 ratio is like the suggested for streaming. And it's something I would definitely do if you're using this here mic for streaming. I think this here just makes it so that it doesn't sound so drastic when you move away from the mic. After that, I would definitely add gain. I like to add a gain just because I find adding the compressor and other things, they take a little bit from it. I always need a little bit of boost. I always add about 3 to 6. So every 3 dBs of volume that you add is going to double the volume of your mic. So that's something to keep in mind. And I actually forgot, we want to add a limiter in between this here compressor and the gain. So we're just going to click another plus here, and we're going to add a limiter. We're going to click OK, and we actually want the threshold to be only negative 1.5. So this is just going to prevent us from peaking in the mic, which is going to prevent us from damaging our audio. So if we happen to want clips and recording, it's going to prevent us from having that peaked sound in your mic where it sounds like static. It's unsavable. This is just going to prevent us from hitting that and destroying our audio. 60 milliseconds should be good, but I would definitely play with this a little bit until you get it to something that you like. I'm going to turn it down to 30, and I'm going to put it compressor, limiter, and gain. If you're talking and you find it just a little bit low, we want to keep it just in the green, just kind of in the yellow where it starts here. So this is perfect for us, but if you find it a little bit low, add the gain here so you can take it from out here. So once you're done and you have all this here set, when it's too loud, you want to turn it down here and take your 3 dBs from it. If it's too low, add another 3 to it here so that you have movement here. So if you happen to need to change it on the fly while you're streaming, you have a little bit of room to work with. So I definitely suggest adding the filters. But that's really it. Now that you have everything set up, you have the AM8 from Fifine all set up and ready for streaming. I just wanted to cover a quick guide on how to get it set up and going with OBS. But it's just as simple as it is to add it to Discord. You'll just have to go through the mic settings and select it. And that's it for this one here. I just wanted to cover that really quick. Like I said, I will make sure to leave links to everything in the description below, but that's it for this one here. If you think I forgot or left something out, definitely leave it in the comments below. And if you like or found the video helpful, hit the thumbs up and get subscribed for more content. Thanks for watching. Bye!